Hey, it's Lalaslim. Thank you for choosing my channel. If you're interested in growing your hair with a protein treatment, then keep watching.
I can't stop thinking about you. I don't know what to do.
You're going to need a couple things for this. You're going to need 2 hair clips, an oil of your choice, a spray bottle, a wide tooth comb and a detangling comb, a spoon or fork, a bowl, 1 to 2 eggs depending on your hair length, and olive cholesterol. First, you're going to mix your 2 eggs together in your bowl. You're going to mix it until it's completely blended together. Next, we're going to add the olive cholesterol and then mix it until it's completely blended. Now we're going to add the oil of your choice. Mine here is the herbal oil from Africa's Best. Protein treatments should be done once a month. It'll be easier to keep track of it if you write it in a book. You're going to start with fresh clean hair after you finish washing it. Section it into 2 different parts. This is where the spray bottle comes in. Spray your hair until it is damp enough to let the comb or brush glide through it in order to detangle it. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. There are many benefits to doing a protein treatment. A protein treatment adds extra volume, it helps you have thicker hair, and it strengthens your hair to help it grow. We're going to retwist the hair up so that we can get it out of the way so we can start applying our protein treatment. We're going to take a generous amount and apply it to our hair. We're going to be taking our detangling brush and just brushing the product through the hair. This will make sure that all the strands are saturated with the product. Any remainder of the product into your hair so that it doesn't go to waste. I'm going to wrap my hair up so that I can put on the shower cap. "30 minutes later, I rinsed out the protein treatment and did a deep conditioning. You always want to do a deep conditioning after you finish a protein treatment to add the moisture back in. This is how my hair looked after the deep conditioning without any hair product. My hair looks a lot healthier here than it did before. As you can see, I started feeling myself over here. Yes, girl, yes. Always wonderful to have you guys here. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a good day.
I can't stop thinking about you. I don't know what to do.